Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing focused hashtags that match your video's intent and search behavior. Once done, prioritize 5 to 10 keywords. Include one branded tag and one format tag like tutorial. Make sure to research terms in YouTube search and related videos so you capture real queries. Then add them into your description or title. Remember, the first 3 hashtags will display above your title, so order matters. This gets your video indexed fast and places you where viewers are already searching. You now refine tag structure and ordering to balance reach with precision. Start with one branded tag, follow with 2 highly specific tags, and add 2 broader tags to capture related searches. This layering helps the algorithm. Make sure you never exceed 15 hashtags because YouTube can ignore the excess and avoid repeating the same words. Place your most important tags at the start of the description. That signals priority. Once organized, you'll see better alignment between search intent and impressions. You finish by publishing and monitoring performance. Analytics reveal which hashtags drive impressions and clicks. Once live, watch search terms and CTR and iterate weekly. Replace underperforming tags with new queries you find in search. Make sure to promote top-performing tags in your social posts to compound visibility. If a tag doesn't appear or gets removed, check for policy flags or banned words. Edit the description quickly and republish changes. This final loop keeps your tagging effective and compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.